So we start off today's video with this DIY from mcgowan. So we got some newspaper here, some cardboard, some foil. Okay, so he's taping that to the cardboard, and then he has some type of fabric here. Now, if I had to guess, I would say he's making some type of wall decor piece. Oh, okay. Oh, wow. So it's like a really cool light. Wow, that was really impressive. Hello everyone, welcome back to Design Trendseeker. Now if you are new around here, my name is Danielle, and on this channel we like to take a look at trending DIY project ideas and react to them. So we move into the next DIY project. This one involves some straws. Okay, so it looks like they're spray painting them gold. Oh, they're making like a nice decorative, like, statue. Is that what they call those? A nice decorative piece. Wow, I would never in a million years look at this and think, oh, okay, they use straws for that. Like, wow, that is crazy. So cool. And it's unique too. The way that the straws are like going every which way is actually pretty. So then we are at action. We have some type of lampshade, a bottle, some puck lights. Okay, so they're obviously getting ready to make their own like lamp. So this must be the base here that they're spray painting the bottle. Gluing on the lampshade. Now she could have did something with the top of this too, but maybe she just wanted the neutral colors. And then adding the puck lights. Very nice. Hopefully we get to see it actually operating. There we go. Great way to save some money. Make your own lamp that doesn't require electricity. All right, so moving on. Looks like we have a pillow DIY here. I feel like this is like the easiest pillow to make, like this kind of style. I see it all the time. Cool little technique for adding some texture to a pillow. I like the black and white too. I think that that's pretty. Okay, so we have someone here. Looks like they're painting some shelves. Now it looks to me like she's in the garage and she's like decorating it with some shelves and some kind of like statues. This has like a very like antique-y vibe and feel to it. I need to get a close-up of what she's doing because I can't really like see. Okay, here we go. Okay, now this type of decor is definitely not my aesthetic. But yeah. She seems happy with what she did there, so I guess she was just decorating the shelves. I don't know. Alright, so we move on to the next one. We got some canvas artwork here. Oh, is that wax paper? Oh, so she used a glue gun to create this, I want to say artwork piece on wax paper, and then she spray painted it gold. Wow. And then put it on canvas. Oh, this is beautiful. Wow, what a spectacular design idea. I absolutely love this. Very cool. And with this one, you can make it as big or as little as you want. Wow, so she did 3. Very cool. And what's nice about this too is it's like a unique piece. Each one is gonna come out different. Very cool idea. All right, so I think we're back at action for this next one. Oh, wow, what a cool vase design. Oh my goodness, that is just stunning. All right, you guys, I hope you enjoyed checking out all these DIY project ideas with me today. If you did, please be sure to give the video a big thumbs up, hit that subscribe button, and I will see you next time.